in Britain we celebrate Pancake Day. Of course, it's always Pancake Day in our hearts. But Pancake Day, which is also called Shrove Tuesday, or Mardi Gras, or Carnival, is 47 days before Easter Sunday, for complicated reasons. They are both movable feasts, because the date that they are changes every year. It depends on the equinox, and the full moon, and the Sunday after that. But Pancake Day, Shrove Tuesday, is 47 days before Easter Sunday. And in the UK, people would traditionally eat all their rich foods. Rich foods are just very strong, very sweet, very flavourful foods. They'd eat them with pancakes on Pancake Day, and then for 40 days, plus Sundays, they would fast. To fast is just to not eat, or to not eat a particular thing. So Ramadan is a famous fast, and Lent is a fast in the Christian church, which is between Pancake Day and Easter. So during Lent, people would say, I'm not going to eat chocolate, I'm not going to eat meat, I'm not going to smoke or drink, or things like that. People used to take it very seriously, so Pancake Day was the last day before the fast. So it's your last chance to eat pancakes. And then when you get to Easter, you can eat pancakes again, because the fast is over. There's actually a very familiar word that means the fast is over and you can eat again. Breakfast. In the morning you break your fast, because you don't eat when you're asleep, but you wake up and break your fast. In fact, at a wedding, you have a wedding breakfast, the first thing you eat after you get married, because you're breaking a fast. You're having a celebratory thing, a thing to celebrate, after a period of not eating. So, Pancake Day is the last day before that. People eat pancakes, people have pancake parties. There used to be a tradition of pancake races, where women would run flipping pancakes down a field, and whoever got to the end of the field first would get married next. So lots of Pancake Day traditions, a wonderful time. Now you know how to make pancakes with pancake batter. There are actually a few other foods that are made in a similar way. So Yorkshire puddings, there's a picture of one here, it does look a tasty one. They're normally eaten with roast beef, and they're made from very similar batter to pancakes. So eggs, milk, a little bit of water in that case. You put them in the oven and they rise, so they puff up beautifully. Make sure they don't burn, and you eat them immediately. Yorkshire puddings can't wait. So normally pudding in the UK means a sweet dessert, but in this case it means just a thing with a shape, sort of a blobby shape, that you can eat. I live in Yorkshire, and actually people don't eat many Yorkshire puddings here, but I do. Toad in the hole, which around here is called turd in the hurl, is pork sausage in Yorkshire pudding batter. If you include a real toad in the hole, you're doing it wrong, but I admire your enthusiasm. So those are a few foods that use similar batter to pancake batter. We've talked about pancakes, wonderful things, and now it's your turn to go and make some pancakes. Or maybe you hate pancakes, in which case I hope you go and have something different instead. But personally I say make them for breakfast, make them at tea time. Tea time is just another word for the evening meal. There are many alternative recipes online, so do look, see what different kinds you want. I have experimented with pancakes without milk, vegan pancakes, various different kinds, for friends who need those, and eat them at Pancake Day, eat them all year round, or whatever you like. To do something all year round is just to do it throughout the year, whenever you wish, And here's a final picture of some pancakes. I don't know what kinds of pancakes those are. They look like puffy dropped scones or something European. Who can say? So there's a rich and wonderful world of pancakes. Go out there, find it. And thank you so much for listening. I hope you have good food whenever you need it. Goodbye!